Welcome to our video on understanding life insurance, a comprehensive guide for beginners. Life insurance is a fundamental component of financial planning. It provides protection and financial security for your loved ones in the unfortunate event of your passing. There are various types of life insurance policies available, each catering to specific needs and goals. It's important to choose the right one based on your unique circumstances. Importance of life insurance. Life insurance plays a crucial role in safeguarding the financial future of your loved ones, ensuring they are financially protected even in your absence. It can help cover funeral costs, pay off outstanding debts, such as mortgages or loans, and ensure your family's ongoing financial stability. Types of life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specified term, typically 10, 20, or 30 years. It offers a death benefit if the insured passes away within the policy term. Whole life insurance provides coverage for your entire life. It also offers a cash value component that can be utilized during your lifetime. Universal life insurance combines a death benefit with a savings component, allowing flexibility in premium payments and potential cash value growth. Variable life insurance provides a death benefit and investment options, allowing policyholders to choose how their premiums are invested. Benefits of life insurance. Life insurance provides peace of mind, knowing that your loved ones will be financially secure in your absence. It can replace lost income and cover essential expenses. Life insurance can also ensure your children's educational needs are met, even if you're no longer there to provide for them. It can be used as an inheritance tool, ensuring a smooth transition of assets to the next generation. Key considerations in life insurance. Determining the appropriate coverage amount is essential, considering factors such as income replacement, outstanding debts, and future financial goals. Selecting a reputable and financially stable insurance company is crucial to ensure your policy remains secure for the long term. Regularly reviewing your life insurance policy will help ensure it aligns with your evolving needs and offers adequate coverage. Common misconceptions about life insurance. There are several misconceptions about life insurance that we'd like to debunk. Let's address a few of them. Term life insurance can be quite affordable, especially for young and healthy individuals. While some policies offer cash value growth, life insurance should primarily be seen as protection rather than an investment. Voiceover. It's crucial to thoroughly understand the terms and conditions of your life insurance policy to ensure you're aware of all its benefits and limitations. In conclusion, understanding life insurance is vital for securing your family's financial future. By assessing your needs, selecting the right type of policy, and working with a trusted insurer, you can ensure long-term financial protection. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with others who may benefit from this comprehensive guide. Remember, taking the time to understand life insurance can make all the difference when planning for your family's financial security.